Hey there! I've handpicked top-rated hands-free Bluetooth devices from $30 to $60 with auto power on, voice assistant support, and crystal clear call quality. Links to all three devices are in the description. Let's dive in. Kicking off with SUNITEC BC980p. This visor-mounted Bluetooth car speaker priced around $40 delivers premium audio with 3-watt speaker and Qualcomm QCC chipset featuring DSP noise cancellation for crystal clear hands-free calling. Built-in vibration sensor provides automatic power on-off, awakens when you open the car door and sleeps after 7 minutes of inactivity. Supports Siri Voice Assistant for voice texts and GPS directions through big, easy press buttons. An impressive 22-hour talk time with 1,000-hour standby eliminates frequent charging worries. I really like the wide compatibility with all iPhone and Android devices, plus the simple visor clip installation that works perfectly in older vehicles without built-in Bluetooth. For maximum battery life with vibration auto power, this one's perfect for the job. Next up, Avantri Road Trip. This versatile 2-in-1 speaker and FM transmitter at around $60 features dual 3-watt speakers delivering powerful, high-definition audio for calls and music streaming. The innovative 2-in-1 design works as both Bluetooth speaker and FM transmitter, streaming audio directly to your car's stereo system. Built-in motion sensor automatically powers on when you enter and off when you leave. Dual microphones with noise reduction ensure crystal clear conversations over road noise. 22-hour playtime with 2-hour fast charging keeps you connected all day. I really love the rotary dial volume control and the FM transmitter capability that transforms any car radio into a wireless audio system. If you want dual functionality with premium sound quality, this model truly delivers. And finally, Anker SoundSync A3352. This compact Bluetooth receiver at around $30 offers exceptional value with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, providing ultra-stable connections up to 30 feet away. Dual pairing capability connects two devices simultaneously for seamless switching between calls and music. 12-hour battery life supports extended road trips, while the space-saving design fits anywhere in your vehicle. Aux connection enables hands-free calls through your existing car stereo system. The ultra-compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for multiple vehicles or travel use. For budget-friendly reliability with modern Bluetooth technology, the Anker SoundSync is a fantastic pick. See ya!